with this motherfucking big ass what the fuck. Bro, that don't even make sense. Jesus. What's going on YouTube, bro? I'm sorry, I'm already crashing out. I'm already crashing out because people can't drive, bro. Let me get that Honda. Let me get that. Let me get that. I'm already crashing out, bro. That shit crazy. I just hopped in this bitch. Oh, fuck. Anybody who drive a rear wheel or all-wheel drive car, do not ever run over a plastic bag, bro. Trust me, you do not want them type of problems. I'm like, trust me. You gonna trust somebody? Half of y'all trust the trunk, so y'all better trust me. God damn it, y'all trust already fucked up. My bad, I didn't mean to do y'all like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just a little mad. I'm just a little upset that nigga tried to. God damn. I swear, bro, if you can't go to Jamaica, bro, I'm done. It's over with. The moment this nigga said travel ban in Jamaica, it's over with. Damn, but how y'all day been? You know what I mean? One of these days we gonna get into a spicy race. One of these days. Not today though. Well, technically I'm supposed to be at work. I'm supposed to be at work, y'all. But it's not really simple to work out for me. Y'all gonna get consistent trash. Y'all gonna get consistent boo-boo. Easy that. That's why I like to get in front of me. I hope you notice that. And the Tesla, you see how lights set up? The light was already red. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta make your own way. That's just how lights set up. I don't know about y'all lights, but that's how mine set up. And like then the boy math with it. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna take the longer way just because the light was red. Honestly, I'm just gonna keep going straight. Fuck it. Let me get at least 5 minutes out of this. Stay tuned for tonight's video, bro. I'm gonna drive through Fort Lauderdale. Type shit. You know what I'm saying? We might see some baddies. Most likely gonna see old people though. Most likely. We might see some fine shit though. I swear this skip us too. I'm gonna be upset. Brother. I'm about to see some very illegal activities. I didn't think it was gonna skip me, bro. Alright, that's what two, bro. What the fuck, bro? I can't even go home. Fuck it. Let's try not to get a ticket. I've been waiting for this mic for like 2 weeks now. I'm trying to get y'all this little exhaust. These exhaust tones and shit. The world is just hating. Mostly USPS. The world is just hating though. Oh, you disgusting boy. Why the fuck you break like that? You know I'm about to turn. Some niggas just want a new car. I don't think they understand, like, bro. If you make me get into an accident, I'm coming out to slap the fuck out you. And then I'm going about my business. Because what's going on with you in your head? I'm gonna come out and smack some sense into you. Feel me? And then I'm gonna go about my day. That's like that. Goddamn, there's something wrong with you. Ain't always something wrong with me. You feel me? Yeah, it's gonna be at least a little bit. If you haven't already, bruh, subscribe, golly. Please subscribe, man. Fuck the likes, man. Just subscribe, man. Subscribe so niggas start making some breeze. Let's go to the school. Oh, yeah, you can't see it. It's JPT, one of the dirtiest schools in Broward. Probably the dirtiest school in Coral Springs. If any of y'all ever went to JPT, bro, that's the first place I've ever shared a urinal with a roach in my life. You ever shared a urinal with a roach, bro? You ever had to wait for the roach to finish? You ever walk into the bathroom, bro, and the roach try to give you a high five? The nigga try to dap me up. Like, am I supposed to know you, nigga? up out your bed, get ready, go to school for 7 something, just to get docked up by a roach, nigga? Alright, damn.